After 8 years of great service, I've decided to replace my old Triple B winter overboots, and I've decided to go with these DHB Extreme winter overboots in size extra large, and here's the reasons why. Today I received my new winter overboots by DHB Cycle Clothing. DHB is a UK technical sports apparel brand created by the online giant Wiggle in 2004. The current Wiggle price is £32, but I purchased these online from Chain Reaction Cycles, who are offering a 25% discount, making them just £24 a pair. The boots were dispatched with free shipping and arrived in 2 days. Here are the boots, and they're in extra large. I ride these Physique R1 road shoes, which I love, and I want to protect, and hopefully these overboots are going to help to keep out the rain and the road spray off my favourite shoes, protecting both them and my feet against rain, cold and road grime. These overboots are the most protective of the DHB's overshoe collection, and they use a 3.5 thick neoprene to give great insulation against both the cold and wet. Further protection comes courtesy of that TPU skin. The product blurb states, this non-porous and flexible skin prevents any rain from being absorbed into the surface of the overshoe and has the additional benefit of protecting them against knocks and grazes. I chose a neoprene material because neoprene is made from closed cell foam, trapping thousands of insulating gas bubbles. It's the same stuff that wetsuits are made of. This closed cell structure means it's wind and waterproof. The boots have internally taped seams which add to the strength and provide a waterproof seal. The underside of the shoes features a robust Kevlar material, extending up and around the toe and the heel, preventing excess wear when walking in the overshoes such as cafe stops or on no cycling areas. The holes in the base for the cleats are shaped to fit snugly, minimising the amount of road spray entering the shoe from below. And you can see here that this Kevlar padded part is nice and long, so it's going to avoid flipping over the front of your toe. Here's the cleat area, and it's quite a nice fit around there, and there's this rear aperture here for the heel. When choosing an overboot, I would recommend avoid buying ones with adjustable straps which have that feature of some kind of Velcro binding, because eventually those types of bindings become clogged with dirt and ultimately fail, at least in my experience anyway. The overboot comes with a size 5 lockdown YKK zip at the rear and a securing Velcro tab at the top. 2 retro-reflective strips run vertically down the length of the rear ankle, and there is also a reflective DHB logo to improve your visibility. Now what I like to do is add an additional pull ring to the rear zip, which helps my grip when I'm wearing gloves. So here's the overboot, and I fitted the zips with these additional key rings, and this just aids the ability of pulling the zip up and down, particularly once the boot's on your foot and you're leaning down with gloved hands. Now my shoes are EU 46 or UK 12s, and the boot appears to fit very well. There's a nice snug fit and they're easy to put on. So my only concern with the boot at the moment would be this flimsy looking Velcro strap at the top. It doesn't look like it'd take much to clog that up with a bit of dirt, and that's going to probably become ineffective after a short while. And they've elected to put the manufacturing seam straight down the middle, which, although it looks like it's well sewn and it's quite nicely taped on the inside here, it does concern me that having a seam right down the middle might lead to some sort of water ingress as the boot gets a bit older. But otherwise, I think that looks like a really nice overboot, well manufactured and made, and it really looks quite stylish. So there you have it, my DHB Extreme winter boots at what I think is a great and economical price. If you have any questions or tips in keeping your feet dry, please do leave them in the comments below. And I leave you with this old cycling adage that there's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothing choice. Thanks very much for watching, and keep riding.